Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover Telegram deleted messages. So this one is applicable to Android and iPhone device. So the first thing you should do is open your Telegram and go to your profile. Scroll down and you should see this data and storage. Tap this one. Now here in your data and storage, you will see features such as automatic media download and feature like save to gallery. And in order for you to easily recover deleted files, or let's just say easily recover deleted messages on your Telegram, and then you have to make sure that you have toggled on the following, such as when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, when roaming, private chats, groups, and channels. As you can see, this includes pictures, videos, and files. So all you have to do is you have to download file folder or go to your file manager and go to Telegrams. And there you will see all of the files that you have deleted. So you can recover that. Another thing is that you can go to your storage usage, and as you can see this auto remove cache files, you need to tap never. Okay, so instead of 1 month, 1 week, 2 days, then you can change this to never. So this is just to ensure the Telegram files are never automatically deleted. So you can adjust the data storage usage settings within the application. Okay, now if you're using an iPhone, then I'm going to show you another way on how to easily recover Telegram messages. So all you have to do is go to your settings, tap your name, and then you have to look for iCloud. Okay, so to enable iCloud on your iPhone for Telegram, all you have to do is to open your settings and then tap your name, select iCloud, scroll down, and then tap iCloud Backup. This will ensure that your iPhone's general settings application and other information are backed up to iCloud. Okay, but of course, Telegram messages themselves are stored on Telegram's cloud. So after enabling iCloud and relying on Telegram's built-in cloud storage, your Telegram chats will be recoverable anytime you log in with your account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.